Hello, this is Shuangjing Laser, CNC Laser. If you want a good result, you must confirm the point and in the middle. Please have a look. Please give a point. Okay. Now there's a background, and in the middle there's a point. You must confirm the point is in the middle, X in the middle, Y in the middle. It will have a good result. If you want it in the middle, you must first confirm here is in the middle. So give me paper. Now please check. Here is in the middle. Now it's a big round. Then the fire must be the middle. Please give me. Oh. Now please see. This is in the middle. Then if you want the laser header in the middle, now you must confirm here is in the middle. Just like this. It's a big round. Then the pointer must in the middle. So when the light come from middle. If you want the second, this is the second mirror. If you want the second mirror in the middle, now first you must confirm the first one is in the middle, just like this. When the paper is here, then the laser must in the middle. So when it is in the middle, here is in the middle, and the laser header in the middle, then the fire will be firework from the mirror. The lens, it will be the middle. We must confirm the result is it is in the middle. The pointer is in the middle of the round. Okay.